Magandang araw basketball fans. Ito ang Gilas Pilipinas at PBA updates. Panalo ang Meralco Bolts laban sa Talk and Text tropang 5G sa score na 97-89. Best player of the game si Chris Banchero na may 18 points, 6 rebounds, at 2 assists. Ito naman ang iba pang scorers. Cancino 18 points, Newsom 17 points, Quinto 13 points, Almazan 11 points, Hodge 9 points, Bates 4 points, Rios 2 points, Maliksi 2 points. Para naman sa Talk and Text, Pogoy 28 points, Ganuelas Rosser 14 points, Nambatak 13 points, Williams 11 points, Kubuntin 6 points, Erin 6 points, Halalon 3 points, Galinato 2 points. Panalo ang San Miguel Beermen Men kontra Barangay Ginebra San Miguel sa score na 91-85. Best player of the game si Don Troliano na may 33 points, 6 rebounds and 3 assists. Ito naman ang iba pang scorers. Perez 19 points, Totwa 13 points, Lasseter 8 points, Fajardo 6 points, Chongson 4 points, Teng 3 points, Cruz 2 points, Ross 2 points, Kahilig 1 point. Para naman sa Barangay Ginebra, Thompson 17 points, Jepet Aguilar 14 points, Abarientos 14 points, Pinto 8 points, Gray 7 points, Rosario 7 points, Holt 6 points, David 6, Torres 3, Ku 2, Estel 1. Ito naman ang team standings. Ito naman ang game schedule. Sunday, January 11, 2026 maghaharap ang San Miguel Beermen at Barangay Ginebra San Miguel para sa Game 4 sa SM Mall of Asia Arena, 5:15 p.m. Sunod naman ang sa Talk and Text tropang 5G laban sa Meralco Bolts, 7:30 p.m. Ito naman ang Gilas Pilipinas Game Schedule Update. Maglalaro ang Gilas Pilipinas sa February 26, 2026 kalaban ang New Zealand na gaganapin sa SM Mall of Asia Arena. March 1, 2026 naman makakalaban ang Australia na gaganapin sa SM Mall of Asia Arena.